Alrighty guys, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. Let's take the bike around town for a minute because it's a beautiful day out here. And kind of want to talk about the bike being untuned and why you should tune it anytime you get a full exhaust. You know, if you were to put like a slip-on, or because right now I have a full exhaust with a high flow air filter, and so riding around might not be the best thing, but I'm just doing like small little cruise around town. So yeah, so whenever you get a new exhaust and or what I'm doing, a high flow air filter, or both, it just sounds too good though. But yeah, when you do both, you know, it's always, you know, it's kind of mandatory to get a tune. And the reason is you change your airflow ratio when you get, you know, a full exhaust and or like a high flow air filter. So the only reason I haven't tuned mine yet is because it has taken like weeks for my fucking tuner to get here, and it's still not here. It just got processed a couple days ago to get shipped out. Yeah, so kind of been riding around on an untuned bike, and yeah, I guess I could ship my ECU out, get it tuned, and then have it shipped back, but it's almost the same price, almost the same amount of time as well. It takes about 2-3 weeks before you can get it back. So might as well just spend the extra money and just get an actual flash tune kit you can do yourself. And you know, if I did just a slip-on and just left everything else stock, it would have been okay, but nah, I want the whole deal, high flow air filter and everything. I want to get a little bit more power out of this baby. I don't know if you really get more power, but I'm gonna be a lot more responsive. I can already. And another thing too, whenever you put a new exhaust, like I did a full exhaust, and I didn't put the I just got the high flow air filter, so I just popped these fairings off, propped the gas tank up a little bit, and it's good to go. But whenever I first put it on, you can really feel the like lag in power, I guess that's a good way to describe it. Come on, man. Almost fucking ran out on me. Way to go. But yeah, you can feel the lag in power. Now, when I put the high flow air filter in, I kind of got a little bit of that power back, so it doesn't feel too, like the lag in power isn't too bad, but it is still noticeable. I can't fucking see around this post. It is still noticeable. I noticed it when I take off in first gear. The bike isn't as jumpy as it normally would be. So I don't know, we'll do a small pull right here next to the fucking police station. Yeah, I mean, it's not much different. It's fucking loud though, Jesus Christ. It's not much different, but especially now that I have this airflow, this high flow air filter in it. Now, when I didn't have it, I could really notice the lag in power. I was gonna rev match, but I kind of fucked it up. I could really notice the lag in power, but now it's kind of back. not too normal, but I know once I get this tune on it, it'll be even better than stock. So sounds good. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you what it's like to ride the bike with all the upgraded stuff on it. See how much of a difference it makes. The other day I did go on the highway. I will say this fucking exhaust, if you're a highway rider, don't fucking get it unless you have earplugs or like some kind of headphones that like have noise cancellation in them or something, because this thing gets loud. Like even in 6th gear at 65 miles an hour, it is fucking loud. Like even now it's loud. But it's still, that comp wasn't there, I would have done a wheelie. Oh, we're stopping. Kids really get off here? Little ass kids get off here. See if I can sneak in some wheelies somewhere. I can still wheelie. It's in 3rd gear too, so like I said, I don't think I would have been able to do that without having that high flow air filter in it, because I really did feel the like lag and power with that stock air filter and this full exhaust on. But now it's kind of back to normal, but it still needs a tune. It's just hard not to ride this thing around all the fucking time. Still gets up real good. Yeah, city cops can't mess with me here. Highway cops though can, but this round is uneven as hell too. It does sound nice though doing a clutch up. Do a 2nd gear pull. I have too much air in my back tire. I keep like fishtailing the bike. Sounds real good clutching up though. We'll do an actual pull though. This thing screams, dude. Oh my god. Hey, look at all this shit, man. Fucking ridiculous. I don't even want to try to wheelie on gravel. Jesus Christ. I ain't even got to yank it up anymore. Oh, never mind. Yeah, dude, still a little bit. Still got to yank it up just a little bit. Damn. Oh, come on. I swear to God though, oh shit, man, I do not know how to stop on a motorcycle anymore. I swear to God though that it got louder after putting this new air filter in it, because now it's getting a lot more air in. Still gets up. Alright, well I'm gonna grab some food. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm burping. Yeah, that's attractive. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.